Donna Briggs, and today is Finance Friday. Hope you had a spectacular week. I know you did because you said your affirmations. You live in abundance. You're happy. You're healthy. You let no negative energy from anywhere, people, places, or things disturb your week. So let's get on to Finance Friday. So the financial terms this week will be prospectus, IPO, S1, Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, which is the FINRA, and the PFOF, Payment for Order Flow. So you're saying to yourself, what do those mean? I'm going to get into this story first. All those terms are in what I'm going to say. So I want to first start off to say I am not a licensed broker, but I do. Maybe I don't say anything, but I kind of like give people kind of advice. But I'm not a licensed broker. So you have to give a disclosure just in case somebody says, oh, I invested in this and I lost my money. I'm not a licensed broker. So you know that. Okay. Moving on. So I always say to people, I give people places they should invest. Fidelity, TD Ameritrade, Merrill Lynch, E-Trade, Charles Schwab. Those are stable brokerage firms, right? They've been around a long time. They're safe. So now here comes Robinhood, right? Now let me give you a backstory. I know a lot of bankers, brokers, financial planners, investment bankers, and none of them that I talk to have Robinhood app. They don't do anything with Robinhood. So that gave me a red flag. So I was saying to myself, these people are in banking and none of them have the Robinhood app. Red flag number one. Moving on to the story. So the investment platform Robinhood, as you all know of, is going public. What does that mean? IPO, initial public offering. So their plan is to make over $100 million with his initial public offering. Okay. So to do that, they filed a S1, which is a registration form at the Securities Exchange Commission, which is the SEC, saying, hey, I want to go public. And they're like, okay. They just filed the form, what's today? A couple of weeks ago. And they want to go public. It was last week. So their ticker symbol will be, if you want to buy the stock when it goes public, which I think you should wait because it's going to go up and it's going to drop back down, will be HOOD. And it'll be trading on NASDAQ. So, they're, like I said, they're planning on making over $100 million. Their client base, listen to this, because everybody jumped on the Robinhood bandwagon, went from 7 million clients to 19 million clients. That's a jump in 2021. Now, I was never really a big fan of Robinhood because I said all the bankers, brokers, and people that I know, they never really dealt with Robinhood. So you ask why? So Robinhood was just fined last week for $70 million, which is nothing to Robinhood, for penalties by the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, the FINRA. And who are they? Who are the FINRA? They accuse Robinhood for mysteriously shutting down their app, too many technical difficulties. Now, this is what the investment bankers were telling me. They noticed that people that they knew had Robinhood, as soon as the market would jump up, like say the market goes up and I don't know, Bitcoin went up or whatever goes up, you couldn't get your money out. You couldn't trade it. You couldn't, the whole app would just freeze up. So that's why they got charged $70 million last week from the FINRA, Financial Industry Regulatory Authority. Now I'm thinking, if you get fined $70 million last week from the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, why are you still able to file an S1 form to do an IPO to go public? Shouldn't be some kind of a, a window of time to prove to people that you're not going to do something shiesty again? I don't know. Whatever. That's number one. Number two, the Massachusetts General Attorney accused Robinhood for predatory marketing to unexperienced consumers. What does that mean? Advertising in low-income neighborhoods to people they don't know how to, invest. They get the app. They're doing all these trades. They're losing all their money. They did it on purpose. And the Massachusetts Attorney General was like, come on now. This is not cool. And then they were just fined $65 million for failing to deliver best trade execution. What does that mean? It means I go to their app and they're not really giving me the best deals. Back to predatory marketing to inexperienced traders. So if you never traded before, you don't know what you should invest in. Your parents probably don't know. You don't have anybody to actually go to. So you're trusting this Robinhood app to steer you in the right direction. So they weren't doing that either. $65 million fine. So far it's a $70 million fine, then a $65 million fine, and then the Massachusetts Attorney General is accusing them for predatory marketing. And then they're getting sued, or got sued, God rest his soul, from the family of Alex Kearns. So what happened to him? Well, Alex got on the Robinhood app, not really knowing what he's doing, took all his savings, and he thought that he lost his money, and no one on the app explained it to him. He couldn't get in contact with anybody, so he ends up committing suicide. So the family of him, they're suing Robinhood. So, this is a message from Robinhood. They said they're taking steps to prevent such things from happening again, these incidents, and they're trying to change their business protocol. I don't know about that. But anyway, but they have continued to attract attention from regulatory people. So they're basically, the magnifying glass is on Robinhood. And wasn't Robinhood, if I'm not mistaken, he was a crook. Wasn't Robinhood a crook? Did he have a little storybook? Robinhood, didn't he do some shiesty things? I don't know. Kind of interesting. Their app is called Robinhood, and then they're doing all these things. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. So, prospectus. That's one of the words that we got into, but we didn't really give you the definition. That is what you have to file to the SEC to let them know that you want to go public. It's a formal document that the Securities and Exchange Commission say they want details about your company, and they want to know, how do you plan on rolling out this IPO? There you go. So, and like I said before, they have continued to attract attention from regulators. And another reason they're attracting attention, because they do these PFOFs, compensation and benefit brokerage firm receives a direct orders from different parties for execution. What does that mean? Well, you go into the Robinhood app and they market your stuff around and they get a commission off your money once you go to their app, which is not illegal, but I mean, it's just like, why are you doing that? Anyway, I don't know. But like I said, the red flag went off for me when none of my business friends or bankers had a Robinhood app. So, and that's your Finance Friday. I love you guys. I appreciate you. Thanks for following me. Thanks for clicking like and share and learning with me and growing with me. And, follow me on my Instagram. I am Donna Briggs 1111. 4 ones. And the 4 ones means peace, love, and prosperity. If you look it up, you can look it up. Anyway, I love you guys. See you next week on Motivational Monday. Bye.